In this video, I'll show you how to get USDC Ethereum address on Trust Wallet. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. And if someone tells you to send your USDC Ethereum address, right? Let's say a friend or anyone, what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna click on this manage, right? Once I click on this manage, come on here, you type in USDC, right? Then there are lots of USDCs here, right? So we're gonna search for the USDC Ethereum. Okay, yeah, this is it. USDC Ethereum USDC coin. So turn it on. So in case someone wants to, let me say, send you payment or something like that, this is what you're going to send the person. Open it. This is USDC Ethereum, right? This is the USDC Ethereum. So if you found this video helpful, ensure you share the video in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next